Snapchat is challenging TikTok with an amazing new feature. Welcome to InformOverload. I'm your host Johnny Rogers, and if you're new to the channel, we find the most interesting news stories on the internet and we make them more entertaining. Snapchat is joining the race in this new phenomenon of online challenges that competitors like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have done so well. They're calling it lens challenges, and it's exactly what it sounds like. They will be using a themed challenge that uses this special Snapchat lens, which will then be featured in the app's community. Snapchat is aiming at incorporating this new challenge with the holiday season as well. Once users are using the lens, they can select a specific one that lets them sing Gwen Stefani's version of Jingle Bells. This new challenge comes as a result of the great marketing campaign TikTok introduced to keep their users engaged with the app. While YouTube boasts more insane viral trends and challenge videos like the Tide Pod challenge or the In My Feelings challenge, which unfortunately was more dangerous than previously thought, except for the Tide Pod challenge that was obviously dangerous and obviously stupid, Snapchat is hoping to make a more wholesome challenge. Just simple covers of holiday jingles. Let's hope it doesn't get out of hand though. To participate in the Snapchat challenges, open the app's lens carousel, hit that smiley icon to reach the Lens Explorer, and then tap the Jingle Bells challenge option. Once you're happy with what you got, send the snap to the Gwen Stefani challenge story. Now I want to turn the question over to you. If you had to come up with a Snapchat challenge, what would it be? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Keep it PG, folks. With that, let's move on to some featured comments from the video titled "Kanye West Goes on a Crazy Twitter Rant Against Drake." Rolando Hernandez says, "Ray J paved the way for there to be a Kim." So savage, but so true. D-Loy says, "Who you may know from her sex tape with Ray J. Shade, but true." That was a quote from that other video, and what can I say? How else did she get famous? When You're Home Alone says, Johnny, did you get a new haircut? I did, but like 3 weeks ago. Thank you for noticing. Dank Nuggets, great name, says, "Kanye be one angry potato." Couldn't agree more. Someone needs to leave him on the windowsill to cool though. The Johnny Man Gaming says, "Johnny, I worship you and Charlotte as the potato rulers of the internet. Give me a shout out and I will send some new potato subjects to you. All the best." There's your shout out. No need to worship us, and definitely tell more people about this channel. We love when you do that. Thank you for watching InformOverload. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos like this one, just click that playlist on the screen. And if you find any new and exciting stories that you want us to cover, find my Instagram in the description below and send me a DM. From InformOverload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.